Well, welcome back, teachers. So your username and password is provided by your administrator. It will be given to you, so go ahead and type it in and then put in the password, okay? And just hit login. And this is your basic screen that you are going to essentially come to. Now there's two types of teachers you can be, a classroom teacher or a subject teacher. Most of you will probably be a subject teacher. In this case, you're going to have two catalogs. One of them is the managed subjects, the other one is the managed classes. Subject is where you'll go to actually change your curriculum, and classes is where you can go to actually view the class and do various administrative work. Okay? Alright, first of all, before we begin anything, let's go ahead and look around this thing. So on the left side, you'll see some buttons. This one is your dashboard button. So anytime you hit dashboard, it's going to bring you back to this main screen. This will always be there, okay? You can hit this to go to your subject, so you can also just hit view right here, but that'll take you to your subjects. This is for managing classes. Okay, training calendar. Anytime you set up anything, for example, online classes, due dates, things of that nature, it'll start populating on your calendar. And then this is your report dashboard. This is what you hit to see all kinds of reports on your dashboard. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to our main dashboard and go ahead and go back to the screen. All right, now this side, there's a couple of things you can do. If you hit this button, all the students that are in your classes, you can actually search for them and then bring them up, and you can send private messages. You can create groups, both private and public. All right, so, and your students can do that as well. So it's a great way to just actually communicate things. You can also, let's go ahead and get rid of that. You can also, on your announcement board, essentially put out announcements for various classes. Okay. And then right here, what you can do is you can actually go into your profile and you can actually change a few things. Okay, so when you hit profile, if you want to change up your email address, your profile pic, various things, you can certainly do that from your profile things. Okay, then if you've got your gradebook set up, you can go in and go into your gradebooks. Okay, and you can actually access that from right here. All right, so this button right here, switch to classroom teacher or switch to a subject teacher. For the most part, you don't really need to mess with that. Class teachers cannot change subjects, okay? They cannot essentially modify the content within a subject. So this is a great role for a TA. So TAs can essentially look at everything, assign things, but they cannot change the content of the subject. So this is a great role for a TA. Okay. All right. So that's essentially the overview of how you're going to be getting around your all the content that's within this system.